Then author again says, our problems may be colossal, means huge or very big problem, but if we stay determined or continued or keep going, we might just be able to overcome them. Okay. Now how overcome by them? Here again one more example given. We saw small bits of grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. It left us thinking, however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. Now, how? Just like the small bits of grass are strong enough to grow through the cracks. Cracks means actually openings of the concrete pavement. Pavement means footpath. Same like bits of grass. See, same like bits of grass, we too can find opportunities. There is always an opening. So, keep trying, never give up. Now, small bits of grass teaches us nothing is impossible to achieve. Okay, in this paragraph, we learn. Okay, after saying bits of grass. Now, next, we saw a tree bare of all leaves in the cold winter months. We thought its chapter was over. But 3 months passed, spring set in, and the tree was back to its green majesty once again, full of leaves, flowers, birds, and life. What if we too had the conviction that, however difficult things are right now, it will not remain so forever. Remember, this too shall pass. Okay. Now, one more example given. We saw a tree bare. Bare means actually without any leaves. Okay. Bare of all leaves. That means we can see only skeletons or branches. Okay. In the cold winter season or months. When? In the cold winter season or winter months. After seeing a tree, we thought that its chapter was over. Its chapter was, we thought, our thinking, okay? Its chapter was over, means dead. But after 3 months later, again spring season begins and the tree was back to its full of green leaves, full of majesty. Majesty means richness, okay? Full of richness once again. Once again we can see full of leaves, flowers. Again birds started build their nests and they depend that tree to live its life. Same like, see again author or writer request us, okay? Same like if we too had the conviction means strong or firm belief, then whether it is difficult things or problems we are facing right now, it will not remain as it is or same forever. Okay, that all that writer that giving us message. Okay, we have to remember one thing: this difficult situation we shall easily pass or cross it without any stress. When without any stress? Only if we have firm belief. So, bare tree teaches us, so problems are not permanent. Okay, so we should deal with difficulties and problems with grit and determination. Not giving up is the key to success. So, see, one question given. What teaches us that hard times do not last forever? How? Okay, see answer. A tree bare of all leaves dash 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 till birds and life. Okay, answer. A tree bare of all leaves to till birds and life. Answer. Okay, this question's answer. Now next, again see next para, last para. Okay, we saw an army of ants lugging a fly which was at least 10 times the ant size. The ants organized themselves around the fly, lifted it on frail feelers, and carried it to quite a distance. Their teamwork and perseverance were impressive. What if we too are consistent, organized, focused? Okay, now listen again. Here, author said, we can see an army of ants. Army of ants means army, here collective noun. Okay, group of nouns, army. Okay, collective noun, this army, word army. Okay, army of ants lugging. Actually, lugging means what? Here given, lugging, pulling with great difficulty. That means lugging a fly which was at least 10 times bigger than ant size. Okay, with great difficulties, pulling with great difficulties, a fly which was at least 10 times bigger than ant size. The ants organized themselves. Organized means actually teamwork or united around the fly. Lifted that fly on their frail feelers. Feelers means weak legs or delicate legs. Okay, frail feelers. Here given, meaning also given. Okay, and lifted it to quite distance. Okay, quite a distance. It lifted it. See, quite a distance. Who? Ant, which was at least 10 times bigger than ant size. Then also it lifted. Okay, see, their unity and hard work were really impressive. Okay, their teamwork means what? Unity, and perseverance means hard work, were really impressive. Same like ants, we should be consistent. Consistent means steady. Okay, organized. Organized means united, and focused means concentration. Focus means actually, okay, focus means concentrate or concentration. Like the army of ants, we too overcome our problems by following the values of teamwork and perseverance. Perseverance means hard work. So ants teaches us many hands make our work light, or unity is strength. Okay, now again writer given one more example. Which example that? See, spider webs are delicate yet very strong. Okay, spiders, their webs are delicate. You watch it. Okay, delicate webs. Then also it is very strong. Spider can climb up and down easily using this web. Why? Because it is very strong, which means delicate structures are not a sign of weakness. Like spider, we should be polite, well-mannered and strong. Okay, now again one more example given. Writer, a rainbow colors the entire sky. See, again writer gives one more example. That which example? A rainbow. Okay, the rainbow colors the entire sky. Means after seeing rainbow, we feel very happy, no? Same like rainbow, we should also spread joy and happiness all around us. Okay, next again writer gives one more example of oysters. Oysters take in a grain of sand. They open up with the pearl. See, okay, oysters, actually oyster means what? Seashells which produce pearls. Okay, it takes a grain of sand, small grain of sand, and change that sand into a pearl. Actually pearl means valuable. Okay, precious stone. That Navaratna, one of the Navaratna. Sand is turned something as valuable as a pearl. So, oyster teaches us we should work hard, do better in life, and make the best of every opportunity. So, students, in exam, try to do your best like an oyster. Okay. Next line, innumerable stars shine across the infinite sky. That means innumerable stars means uncountable stars shine. We can see across the infinite sky. Infinite means endless or limitless sky. Okay. Same like stars, we should never let the spark within us die. Okay. Means there is something about you also. Try to identify it. Never let it goes. Okay. Same like innumerable stars. You also shine like a star. Next, one more example given here. Clouds take new shapes with every passing moment. Clouds also, it takes new shapes with every passing moment. We should understood the need of the time or value of the time and learn to accept new situation. Okay, we always learn to accept new situation. The clouds change their shape with each passing moment, giving us the message of acceptance and adjustment. Okay. Next, see one more example given here. The wind makes trees dance with unhindered passion. Unhindered means without disturbance. Okay. Now see, the wind makes trees dance with unhindered. Unhindered means actually without delay or without disturbance. Passion means style. Okay, passion means style. Which means we too should be passionate in life and live our lives to the fullest. Enjoy your life or always be happy. Okay. See, again the wind makes that over water without hint of ego changes its form according to the dictates of the sun and the wind. Now one more example given, see. Which example? Here again writer given one more example, water. Okay, without hint. Hint means clue of ego. Ego means actually giving self importance to himself. Changes its form according to the dictates. Actually dictates means commands of the sun and the wind. Students, here water and cloud teach us to accept change and adjust according to the situation. That means water without hint of or ego changes its form according to the commands or dictates of the sun and the wind. Okay. Now see again one more example given. When we see a caterpillar turn into a butterfly. Now see again, when we see a caterpillar, caterpillar means what? Green color, worm or insects, turn into a beautiful butterfly. We should also transform or change and try to be better and give your best or show your talent in front of others like a caterpillar. Try to identify your talents. Okay. Next, again one more example given. See, a flower turn into a fruit. A flower turn into a fruit. That means what? Again beautiful one flower, it turn into a fruit. That also miracles, alchemy. Okay, magical power that can change us things. Okay, flower, actually one small flower, after that turn into a fruit. That also miracle, like a miracle. No, now we experience the alchemy of nature. Alchemy means already here given, here also given, mysterious power or magic that can change things. Okay, alchemy of nature. We touch it and become gold ourselves. Means we experience the alchemy of nature, we touch it and become gold ourselves. Okay, Raksha Bardhya. Okay, actually see, flower teaches us we should keep improving ourselves and keep taking on new roles in life. Okay, always take new roles in life. Flower to fruit, like that. New, one more new role in life. Okay. At last, writer suggested us nature teaches us some of the most important lessons hidden in the smallest of things. When we pay attention and learn and listen from them, we turn into great individuals equipped to live life to the fullest. Nature succeeds in its alchemy, that means mysterious power or magic that can change things by bringing about a positive thinking in us. If we try to listen our nature and take care of our nature, then definitely our life totally changed and become the best, valuable and pure like a gold. Okay, live our life like a gold, which means happy, healthy and prosperous life. Thank you.